How can I protect my coworkers?
The best way to protect your coworker is by following safety guidelines. First, stay home if you are sick. But other ways you can protect your coworkers are by wearing your mask at all times, washing your hands well. You can also clean any personal items like phones, keys, or things you may carry from one place to another. Remember to use hand sanitizer if you cannot wash with soap and water. Ask your employer to promote social distancing, as well as to provide the use of masks, gloves, and goggles if there is a risk of spread. Remember that surfaces can be a source of spread, so continue to clean them as often as possible.
Okay, how can I know that my work environment is safe from the coronavirus?
It is each employer's responsibility to make the workplace a safe place to be. For COVID-19, this means encouraging the use of masks, social distancing, access to soap and water for washing your hands, and providing cleaning supplies. If you see that some or none of these are in place at your workplace, ask your supervisor how these things can be made available for your safety and others. If there is no action, you may call the non-emergency police number for guidance.
Okay, I'm at risk for being discriminated against if I am COVID positive.
Your work should not reflect stigma or discrimination for any reason. This includes information or protections from COVID-19. In fact, if you were to contract COVID-19 through your work, please report it to your supervisor and your status. In some cases, it may be found that you were exposed at work. In this case, you could be compensated according to local workers' compensation guidelines.
Should I get retested to go back to work if I'm tested positive?
Some employers request a note to return to work. These documents are issued by the health department. When you talk to your nurse, he or she or they will help you to get the note you need so you can be released back to work.